Buenos dias, compas. Back home. Back home inside the stew. Loving it. All right. Well, I've been keeping myself busy. All right. Been working on a lot of material for y'all. Setting up a couple. I've been really trying to systemize things. All right. That way you guys can get the same feed, the same tools that I dang, is it my laptop? Sorry. ADHD. Um, I've been working on some tools for y'all. Working on some more content for the workout side. Been editing those videos. I already got a couple videos inside the bank for y'all, so I'm gonna start dropping those as well too. Um, just depend. I just really want to see what route I'm gonna go about it. So I'm really just kind of stacking up the content, giving myself more work more than anything. Um, but nonetheless, I like all this free time that I have on my hands right now because now I'm able to do everything that I want to do. Um, that's right too. Wait, is that? We'll go over that here in a little bit. All right. Nonetheless, let's dive into it, folks. Let's dive into it. All right. Right now we're getting a pullback in the market. If y'all been keeping up in the Discord, which y'all should have, this is definitely where the Discord does come in handy because when you don't get these videos on YouTube, this is where everything does come in handy. You get consistent updates. That's what I'm saying. The Discord is where you want to be more than anything. So if you're not part of the Discord, go hop in the Discord. I'm gonna put the link down below. I'm gonna post it everywhere I possibly can. Um, but that way you can get all the market updates, get the plays that we're in, and yeah, man, stay, stay, stay locked in. All right. But all right, so we talked about this level right here. All right, at 30 grand, 30K. All right. 30K, we needed to get above. All right. All this strong buying, there's a reason why this level was right here. All right. This level that we needed to mount. All right. At 30,108.25. All right. We mounted it, rejected off that strong level. That's why it's called a strong level because it's a strong support and resistance. Okay. Rejected off of that. We came back down, lost that strong level right here. And now we're teetering on the brink. We're walking a tightrope right now at the 200 SMA. Okay. And if we lose this, we're coming back down to this critical level. We lose this 28, 517. I mean, need I say more? I mean, look where we're headed. All right. We're going to come down at least another rack. After that, we're on the brink of the 200 SMA again. All right. Do not want to be flirting with disaster right now. Do not like it. That's exactly what I don't want to do right now. All right. I don't think the market's looking bad, but I also don't think it's looking great as well, too. All right. We got a couple of key factors that could throw a wrench into this, though. All right. Such as NVDA. Okay. NVDA, we got earnings today. Okay. NVIDIA is a big, big key component. If earnings are bad, forget about it. Forget about it. This market is coming down. Sugar, we're going down swinging. All right. I'm talking Fallout Boy. Don't like it. Okay. So right now, I got my hands and I'm sitting on them. I'm not placing no trades today. I'm not placing no trades until this chaos is over. Okay. Um, I like the pullback right here, especially to the strong support and resistance, right? So right now we're currently facing that retest. So let me see, where's it at? Boom. Okay. Okay. We came down, shot up, and now we're retesting it again. Okay. All right before earnings. Okay. So I could see the video closing right here. And if they do good, probably come down, tap that 200 SMA, and then boom, create new all time. Would that be new all time highs? Headed there, headed there. But look, now we're running the risk of forming a double top. All right. Nonetheless, though, all right. I like the pullback considering we gapped up and we're finally retesting right there. So this is kind of structured to take off. Will it? I mean, y'all know how earnings are. All right. I'm such a skeptic at heart, which is why I'm sitting on my hands. I'm not placing no trades. Okay. I want to see how it is. Might even hop on a call later on to see how those earnings play out. Marvell, I do expect them to do great as well too. But Nvidia getting thrown into the wrench as well too. This could greatly affect Marvell as well. All right. Management, they were talking about them bringing in more revenue due to their AI data center demand. All right, that demand is at an all time high. If y'all have been keeping up with me, AI needs data centers. Data centers need fuel or energy and memory. Okay. So all the money is starting to dump into the data centers now. Okay. This is why I say I do think Marvell is gonna do great. I think they're gonna do phenomenal. Not only on top of that, but they just pretty much uh is it speculations or is it confirmed? I'm not too sure. I should probably really go check on that. I know I got it here somewhere. But they're supposed to be helping Google develop AI chips. Okay, so you're gonna see a lot of a lot of revenue from Google. You're gonna see a lot of revenue from their data centers. All right, from that data center demand. So I think they're gonna be. Does that mean that they're gonna take off? No, I don't think so. If anything, they become such a well known name, and that their name is growing rapidly through the entire data center atmosphere. I mean, they've always been a big company, but now it's like to the point where they're just getting notorious, right? I think they're gonna get the pullback because I don't even see a load. I don't even see a move being loaded up right now. All right, when it comes to earnings, you don't need a technical analysis. You don't need a great TA in order to see this company go through the moon. All right, earnings can really just say fuck your whole analysis. All right, but if I'm being big money, if I'm thinking like institutions, if I'm thinking how can I rob the poor even more? I think it's Marvell. Everyone's banking on calls. So what I would like to do, I'm not gonna do. But if I were to play earnings for Marvell, I would definitely wait for a pullback down here to 22.69 at the strong level. Wait for good, solid support. All right. Not only that, but it's definitely gonna confirm that we are not bearish right here. Okay, because you have every instance at this 48 EMA. Okay, we're just finding support. That's what I want to see. I want to see more of that support. And then from there, I might even go into leaps. Leaps would not be a bad idea. And I'm pretty sure you can get them cheap for 253. I'm just saying. I'd wait for the pullback. I'm a cheapskate and I'm also a skeptic at heart, especially when it comes to the market. All right. This could be a really good play if you're just patient. I like what's building up here. So this is where patience will pay. Okay. I am patient. If anything, y'all know I am so patient. I just won't enter a play for a week, maybe 2 weeks. Okay. I like to snipe. I'm a sniper. All right. I don't go in every single day kicking down doors. That's just not me. Do we all want to be that? Yes, 100%. But you know what I'm saying? I'm Chris Kyle. I'm Chris Kyle. I'm sniping, even if it's from world records. All right. That's just my game. That's just my forte. Will I go down every now and then, like how he does in the movie? 100%. Let's go kick some doors. I'm with it today. You know what I'm saying? I'm with the bullshit. You know what I'm saying? That's when I go day trade. All right. But I'm not. I'm not a day trader. All right. I'm not. I'm just not built like that. I have. I have patience. You know what I'm saying? So if you're a day trader, hats off to you. Um. All right. So now we went over Nvidia, Marvell. Love it. Okay. Microsoft had to take an L on that one. You know what I'm saying? Had had to bite the bullet on that one, man. It's all right. Charges of the game. You know what I'm saying? I really thought that they were going to come down some more, but Microsoft is just one of those companies that I should know better than to bet against. They're such a really great company, but I thought we were going to get more of a pullback. If I'm being completely honest with you, but we didn't get that pullback. So when it comes to them, your best bet is to bank on them. All right. Apple does not lose in this level, so we might take an L on this one. This trade is still open for 300, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna take an L on it. But you just have those last like those last winners where something happens the night before and everybody is in complete relief. Okay. Um, Pandub, this one played out beautiful for us. So if you were a complete savage after, I was like, probably should just get out, take your profits or even a break even, and you held overnight. We came down to 328. Our strike price was 345 and 340. Came down to 328. All right. I mean, it's looking good. What a banger of a play that we had. All right. I dropped that here as you can see we're talking about earnings. I give a lot of good useful info. Everyone's asking great questions. I'm loving the interaction on the Discord right now. So yeah, thank y'all so much. Appreciate y'all. But let's see where are we at for this pan dub. I know I got it here somewhere. Boom, beautiful. Here it is. Boom, jump right to it. Okay, we had puts for the 28th. That is in 2 days for 345, or even riskier for 340. All right, and we came down to 328. All right, I'm loving it. That's the kind of stuff that I like to see. That's my kind of action. That's why I like to play swing trades. All right, I just view things on a macro scale. All right. Um, Let me see where we at. Let me try it again. All right. So Pandub played out nicely. We got out early when it came to Microsoft. Might have taken a small L on that one, but that's why we try to keep it small. All right. Um, Let me see. Pandub played out nicely, and now I'm just looking. All right. Open. Like I said, if I could find 50 racks to throw just from somewhere, if I gotta sell my kidney, if I gotta put up my sister's house, if I gotta go, uh, I don't know, I just need 50 racks. And if I can get it, I'm definitely buying it at this level right here at 278 of gold. All right. I mean, it's just, I bought up here already at 5, and I'm praying it comes down more. That way I could buy more of it. All right. That's me. All right. These are shares that I'm purchasing. I love this stock. I love what it's gonna do. So go ahead. I mean, the economy is not good right now, especially when it comes to like the housing market. I mean, the economy is all right, not the best. All right. But interest rates are still high. No one's selling, no one's buying. What do you expect? This isn't like some like, oh no, like some 2008 crisis. No, it's just you had the best deals in 2020, whatever. In 2020, why would anybody want to sell when these interest rates are high? So if anything, we expected a pullback. We're waiting for Kevin Warsh to come through, start cutting rates. But in the meantime, we buy while it's cheap. No one wants to buy it right now. Everybody wants to buy it when we're up high. All right. So this is my goal. This is what I'm trying to do. I want to buy down here at 2.78, buy as much as I can. And the next pop for 10, I'm loving it. All right. SoFi. Okay. Boom. Starting to break out. All right. I love the consolidation. I think we got in up around here around 18.9. Love the calls for 20. I threw out leaps out there in the Discord. All right. I mean, SoFi's looking great. I'm loving the breakout right now. But this level that we need to get above 1981. We get above 1981. I mean, party's really gonna get going. All right. Really, really, really gonna get started. All right. So I'm loving this consolidation right here. Like I said, once we get above that 1981 level, I mean, all systems go. VIX right now, we are, like I said, in between 13 and 15. This is great. This is exactly where you want to be when you're inside of a bull market. All right. But this consolidation up here is a bit concerning. It's a bit alarming in my, when I look at this, and we're slowly but surely just starting to, build a little bit more and more and more. All right. On top of that, we got our EMAs condensing right here. We see a move coming up. So VIX could go crazy. We could see a huge sell off. Who knows? All right. But either way, we're back at that level that we needed to mount. We didn't get it last time for oil. Didn't get it this time. Rejected right there. Okay. This is why I have these levels marked out for y'all. Okay. This is I'm not just drawing lines on here. Just to draw lines. Okay. Do I look like Pablo Picasso? No. Does my work look like it sometimes? Yes. Okay. Call me Michelangelo. Call me Picasso, call me what you want. All right, but you can't call me stupid. You might even be able to get away with crazy a time or two, right? But stupid's not one of them, big dog. All right, partner. All right, so right here, we lost that level, that strong level 81.74. Pretty much returning back to that trend line. If we come, well, pretty much already retested that 200 SMA. I do see it's coming back down to 77, 73, but you know how war is, man. It's sticky. Trump says one thing, he says another thing. All right. You want to keep oil in between 60 and 90. All right. So it's not even in a bad spot, if we're being completely honest with you. All right. Want it lower in the 60s, more ideally. All right. You don't want it too low because then things go too crazy. You don't want it too high. Things just start lighting on fire at that point. All right. So right now, I like what I see. All right. Our 10-year dropped. We needed to lose this 459 level. Okay. If not, then we're just consolidating up here, which is even more concerning. Okay. I like that we stopped producing higher highs, higher lows. You know, the staircase has pretty much, came to a halt. All right, now we're just consolidating. That consolidation could be worse. Could be building up to really good, go through the ceiling. That's not what we want when it comes to our 10-year treasury note. All right. So the yields is definitely something what we're looking at. And especially when it comes to the Bank of America index option adjusted spread. All right. With these high yields, we want to see this coming down. All right. We shot up last week. Was that last week? A few weeks ago. All right. We shot up to 87. That's scary. Scary times, scary times. But we're coming back down, all right? We're coming back down and I can't get too mad at it, all right? So when it comes to the overall market, let me get myself out of this way, all right? Cuz it's not even about me. It's about what we're looking at the market. You guys want to set up your own chart like this? Be my guest, okay? But this is what I got just sitting on my radar while I'm, either on my laptop or on my Galaxy S Fold 8. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm throwing that out there. It's a bit of a flex for me right now. I'm loving that phone. All right, so if y'all don't got it, go get it. Perfect for trading. Um, this is pretty much what I'm watching. All right, I got everything that I pretty much went over up here when it comes to like the Nasdaq, the VIX, the oil, the 10-year. I got it all leveled out right here for me. All right, so it's a lot cleaner. It's a lot more simple. I don't have too many levels marked out. I have certain levels that I'm just looking at. You know what I'm saying? So that way I get an overall view of the market. All right, captured all on one screen. Okay, that way I'm not jumping around trying to see exactly what is what, how is what. All right, so you guys want to set it up? Here you go. If not, hit me up. I can help y'all set this up with no problem. All right. Um, but overall, man, I mean, I like what the market's giving us. Okay, but Nvidia is definitely gonna be our big key factor. All right, it's gonna be a wrench inside the machine, bring everything to a screeching halt, or we're gonna see the market move. But to be honest, I don't see anything really happening. I think it's gonna be a big nothing burger. I don't think we're gonna get a sell off. Nvidia, I mean, it's done so much. They've broken their own records to where they should have moved, but they didn't. So I think it's just gonna be a nothing burger. I don't think we're gonna get a huge sell off. If anything, I think we're gonna see Marvell uh get more of a sell off or more of that push. But I don't know. That's just me. I'm just thinking like a skeptic. All right, but I'm posting everything inside the Discord. All right, so it's exactly where y'all want to be more than anything. Other than that, though, man, I mean, y'all. Oh yeah, this is pretty much where I'm gonna be having everything. All right, when it comes to let me get myself out of the way. When it comes to all my training videos that I'm gonna start posting up, all right. You're gonna see a lot more. I'll probably edit this a bit more. I stopped posting on this. Horrible. I was trying, but I pretty much, switched up everything and I'm gonna start doing my videos now when it comes to look at it. Fat boy. Fat boy. When it comes to me staying up to date when it comes to these workout videos and everything. All right. Now that I've actually got myself established more when it comes to the trading aspect. Now I can focus more on the physical aspect, the things that I'm doing outside of the gym, the things that I'm doing to keep myself sane. All right. When it comes to trading, trading is very disciplined, it's very clean, it's very structured, it's very suit and tie, it's very, clean cut. Outside of that, you need the yin and the yang. All right. Outside of that, it's chaotic. I'm trying to go work out, I'm riding my bike, I'm fighting. It's more, there's still discipline in that, but it's more loose, it's more free, it's more, I'm gonna throw a jab, but I might throw a jab from outside. I might, slip and then throw the jab. I mean, it just depends. That's when you're more loose with it. You know what I'm saying? So you need to have yin and yang. All right. So that side's gonna be more of that. It's more obscure. Let's say, let's say that more obscure. And when it comes to trading, that's more dialed. All right. That's more tuned in. All right. It's more tuned in. It's not loose. So yeah, I'll be on the lookout for that right here. Okay. More than anything. Um, Forgot I didn't even have myself up right there. But yeah, man. So y'all just tune in, and I'm gonna keep y'all up to date when it comes to the Discord. All right. So appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great day. Y'all have any questions? Keep shooting them at me. All right. And if anything too, we got a questions tab. Love that y'all have been dropping questions inside here now too. Okay, utilize that. Okay, this is what I'm here for, and our new data tab as well too. This is where I'm dropping data. This is where I'm dropping nice things that you could utilize and help you learn how to trade. All right. I'm also coming out with some tools too. I'll probably throw that inside there. Y'all are probably gonna want to get a hold of that before I start uh, charging for the Discord. It's not gonna be for some time. All right, not gonna be for some time. Y'all don't panic. Do not panic. But start locking in. I got stuff for y'all. I'm working on things. All right. So that's all I got for y'all. Y'all have a great day. Beautiful day. A blessed day. Hit me up if y'all need anything inside the Discord, my phone. Text me, call me, do whatever y'all got to do. Just hit me up. Okay. Peace.